Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang Timeless Monica reading for you. So, pwede kayong mag-resonate dito sa past, sa present, at sa future. This is a general reading, so just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. So, let's see Aquarius. Money muna. Ano yung recent past ninyo? Recent past energy. Money for Aquarius. Wow. 9 of Pentacles. So, this is liberation. No? Financial stability. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong financial independence. Yung iba, pwedeng in the recent past, nagkaroon kayong sarili nyong trabaho, pwedeng bumukod kayo sa family nyo. You became independent. And it seems na things are doing well for you in the recent past pagdating sa finances mo. Nabibili mo yung mga gusto mo. You are taking care of yourself. So, let's see your current energy. The Lovers. Uy. Sa finances, maaring merong person na tumutulong sa'yo financially. This can be someone who is romantically involved sa'yo, jowa mo, asawa mo, or a family member who really cares about you. So, kumbaga parang ano to yung iba, yes, bumukod kayo, you feel like you are doing the things on your own, but also, lagi niyong isipan na merong nagmamahal sa inyo na handang tumulong sa inyo. Yung iba naman, I'm also seeing here na meron kayong kinuhang responsibility pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng meron kayong kinuhang insurance or pwedeng investment, no? Na kung saan ito yung way ninyo para paghandaan yung future ninyo. Ano yung near future? Two of Pentacles. Going to be very busy, doing a lot of things, multitasking, merong mga different sources of income, multiple streams of income here for you in the near future. Pwede rin mag-aasikaso ka ng mga papers related sa iyong kaperahan. And also, some of you meron ding possible na decision making that you will be doing related to money, whether you are going to invest in this type of investment or magbe-business ka. So, sa career naman, recent past, you have the Three of Pentacles. So, in the past, meron kang collaboration with someone. You might have worked with a group of people or some people na tumutulong sa pagpapaunlad ng career mo or ng business mo. So, you have this collaborative energy. And I think you are also busy in the recent past in growing your career, your business. Your current energy, the Three of Wands. O, marami ka pang plans for your career. Some of you, maaring gusto nyo na mas lumawak pa yung reach ng career ninyo or ng business ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo gusto nyo na magtrabaho or mag-work abroad or sa mas malayong lugar na kung saan ka nagtatrabaho ngayon. You may be also reaching or researching or searching for new opportunities sa career mo, no, sa ibang lugar. And this is also expansion. So, you really want to expand. Lalo na kung meron kang business ngayon, you want to expand your business, do other things that will increase your income and also opportunities sa career mo. So, near future, you have the Wheel of Fortune. So, there's movement. Yung iba sa inyo, may paglipat ng trabaho, ng career path, or pag-shift ng field of work. Okay, so there's going to be movement. I think you are going to pursue your desires, no? Yung mga plano mo. Everything is going to be working according to your plans when it comes to your career. Ano yung advice sa mga Aquarius? Ten of Cups. So, ang advice is like focus or make more time with your family. Yung mga taong importante sa'yo kasi kung puro trabaho ka rin naman at wala ka ring time sa family mo, sa mga anak mo kung may anak ka na, sa mahal mo sa buhay, parang wala ring masyadong sense yung pinaghihirapan mo kasi hindi mo rin na enjoy with them. So, it's time for you to focus also or give your time and your energy sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And also, i-involve mo rin sila. So, maaring meron ding time na i-involve mo sila dun sa business mo para at least meron na rin kayong bonding moments ng mahal mo sa buhay, ng family mo. You also have the Six of Pentacles. So, this is also giving back to others, no? Now, if you are really blessed sa career mo, sa finances mo, don't forget to share your blessings to others, help others as well, dahil dito ka mas magiging fruitful, mas pagpapalain ka ng universe. This can be sharing your blessings na in kind, in cash, or yung iyong knowledge and skills sa ibang tao, no? That will also help them improve their lives. You also have merong consequences sa being unprofessional. Your good morals will be rewarded as you treat others fairly. Yes. So, treating others fairly is very important sa career mo ngayon, sa business, sa work ethics mo. Importante na you remain professional sa iyong career, sa business. You also have healing. So, yung finances mo daw nag-heal na, lalo na kung nagkaroon ka ng challenging situation sa iyong kaperahan, sa career mo in the past. Okay? And then discovery, you are going to try something new. You will explore other options. You are going to learn and grow. Ayan. And merong mga opportunities daw na naghihintay sa'yo na i-discover mo. Like what I mentioned kanina, okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.